Right, we've come down this place what we normally check. We've got the pond down the bottom. There's a bit of a woodland walk on the way back up and on the way down.
We come here, was it about a month ago?
Uh-huh.
And we thought it seemed, was it?
There was the grebes on the water, wasn't it? It looked like the grebes nest, so we're going to check that.
See what.
And there's always something there somewhere.
Hopefully we'll find something.
I'm just looking, yellowhammer on top of the hedge there. Just right in, it's like where I'm pointing the camera, you can just see the top of it sticking over the hedge at the back.
Alright, I had to see it now.
It'd be awkward to see, there it comes. It was right at the back of the hedge there. They nest on the ground and the verges and all. Hard to find them. Right, so we're going to have a walk down, get as quick as we can. Right, we've come down to one of our local-ish ponds and just to see if we can see.
Looking in these reeds, we think that looks like a bit of a nest there, but we're not sure we can't see high enough up. We're going to have to try and get up there. I'll try and get up ahead, see if I can.
Like get above it.
Oh. Looks like probably a moorhen or something.
Oh, it'd be the moorhens or the coot type, wouldn't it?
Oh, it's a nest, it's got a bunch of eggs in it.
Oh, brilliant. Because I was looking at a way to get across.
I wouldn't be to film them for, there's too many branches in the road.
Right, aye.
But it's definitely got eggs in it.
Aye.
But we'll find a way just...
Right, so that little island there in the middle, it's only like 4 foot from the bank side. We could have a few sticks on and, or even one good one, and just stand on there. Put the camera on the tripod and like twist the viewfinder. Aye.
You should always fetch your taller tripod.
I know, aye. I've got that like 6 foot thing or a 7 foot thing. Right, so we'll have a try, see what we can do. Right, we've got into that nest and it is a...
So can you see how many there's from there then?
One... I think there's at least 5, maybe 6. I think I can see another one.
It's definitely more hens.
Aye, they've got the red, got them red blotches on them.
More, hasn't it?
Yeah?
It's probably going to lay a few more.
The candy, aye.
They can lay like quite a few, can't they? Like a dozen in there.
I'll see if I can zoom in onto that because it's...
I can see them from here, even on the...
There is 6 there, isn't there?
It looks like it. Probably got a few more maybe.
Aye.
Oh
Oh, brilliant, that. Nice and easy. Right, just climbed across there and looked at that moorhens.
It's like we haven't been out long, we've found that pretty much.
It looks a hard one to get to from this side, but when the water being as low, we just hired a log there and step on. Somebody had already put that log in, that was there at the beginning, so we're not sure if somebody else had been here. But
there's a few little, we'll have a look in there, there might be like a...
You did get the coots, and the little grebes.
Have a little look, see and then that's really up on here.
Aye. We'll walk back up the path. There's some brambles on the path on the way up there as well, so... we're getting something. We're getting in and putting something instantly. It's good. Right. I think this was roughly where the grebes nested the other year.
Aye.
Just on these bits. I can't remember, or it might have been the other bits. I think it was the other bits. It just looks like the reeds haven't really grew up there. It all looks the same, doesn't it? Aye. It can hear what. Just keeping the camera on in case I see a little grebe or something. Or anything. I think I can see a nest in the reeds over there.
see something in there.
Looks like that one will be a bit harder to get to if it is. It's a nest, like, but I didn't think we'd get to that one in a hurry. No. Especially when it being like in the deep part of the reeds, it's even look, you know, getting up these trees, it's still well covered by the reed in front, isn't it? We wouldn't be able to see into it. That's a shame, like. Oh. Right, we'll keep going. Right, we've just come up from doing where the pond is down there. We've got all this path to walk up. Loads of like gorse and...
I could see something in the back of that.
There looks like a bit of a nest there, doesn't it? Is that even a bullfinches or something? Cause it looks smart, it might be a pigeons from here, it's hard to tell, like. It just looks small. Yeah, we'll get in and have a look. Oh, we've come so far up the path here, and it looks like there's a bit of a nest just in.
Looks like a bullfinch, doesn't it?
It does, huh?
Can't remember.
I think I'm on it.
We come here earlier on last month. I can't remember seeing it there.
No, missed it if I have, huh?
There's a lot of leaves and stuff.
There looks like some dead leaves on it, like.
It's like in front of it.
Aye, but when the camera being on the tripod, I'll just lift it over the top and see if I can look into it from a distance.
Pull this back. There's some thorn here.
Oh, right, I'll just wade into here a bit. That's easy. I'm looking directly into it there, like. It does look like a bullfinch now.
I thought I'd seen some.
Right, we'll look back on the camera when we get back. It does look. It's just hard to tell. The camera's too far away from us.
Yeah. We'll head back up there.
Yeah, right. Let's see if we can find anything else. Nearly up the top. Right, we're just walking up the path still, and a blackbird or something flew to here. But we looked and we're seeing this.
It looks like a nest, but it's kind of different. The hole's kind of on the top, so
could be a mouse. Or something's predated it. I just can't get around to see there's a hole anywhere.
It's in the top.
Oh, there's the songfish nest under it with 6 eggs.
Where?
Under here, on the ground.
Oh, I can see it.
Bloody hell.
I tell you what, I've never seen one on the ground before.
No, the bird flew when we come to the path. I said like a blackbird or a...
We've been standing looking for ages
now. We're looking at that.
Is it 6? Is it 5?
5, huh? That's a good one, ain't it? That's brilliant, that.
It's pretty camouflaged really, because we've been standing for a good few minutes. And
aye. Looking at it, can't even see it. I've found blackbirds on the ground before, but we've never found songfishes.
Wait, I've found songs low, like, but not on the ground.
No,
that's why
that's brilliant, that.
There's one that's already got any.
I just seen the blue now, like looking into this. Looking into that nest, what it was.
I wonder what that is on the top.
Aye. Scared to put my fingers in.
Oh, yeah, I wouldn't.
think I'll leave it. Would have been eating.
Knew you stand here, knew you cannot not but see it.
Ah, you can see the blue eggs.
Now for it to stand out. We just weren't looking more.
No, that's brilliant, that.
Yeah, well,
aye, excellent find, that one. I was just walking up the path and the song, like the bird flew up here. We thought that was an old nest. We weren't expecting to find a nest like that.
That is some kind of old nest.
It's probably been a chip chop, hasn't it? Yeah. When all the grass and leaves and that.
That's just tucking it in.
Or possibly, wait, no, wrens are bigger and deeper, aren't they?
That would be a good one when it had young to stand
Aye.
back and film probably now and being.
Aye.
You could probably get over here because you can even see it when you look from here. Now you can see it from here.
Uh-huh.
Like in there.
Aye.
So you probably have something set up there and film.
No, that's brilliant, that one. 2 nests in a video, hey, that's brilliant.
Good for us.
We've had a bad year. We had a bad start of the year anyways. But things are looking better. We're nearly at the top. I'll just say we're nearly there. Is that a kestrel or something on that line? No, it's a bit of a tree.
Starting to get a
Bit excited now. Right. Put the camera on if there's anything else. Oh, we're getting back to the top. Paul's just there. And
hasn't been a little bad whack through this.
no, we found like
Really, is it?
huh? We found that moorhens and then the song thrush. We found that
better than wait, any time this year. Wait,
It's-
on the gold.
aye, the gold ponds was good, but
Get up for a
aye. I think that song thrush was brilliant. Well hidden, that one. Right.
So that's it anyhow.
That'll probably get predated by a fox, like it'll sniff that on the ground.
I'm saying that, you know, we found a few blackbirds really low.
Uh-huh.
Like last year, not in between the silverbirds. That was only like
Oh, right. Mm-hmm.
foot off the ground twice,
Aye.
and both of them done.
Aye.
fine.
They've done alright, aye, you're right. Uh-huh.
So,
Uh-huh. Aye, so we're definitely back up to the top now, so it's no, we're quite pleased with that. They were brilliant, and then we'll see you in the next one.